Okay, the last class we started the lesson ever changing families. What were we doing, beta? The ever changing families. We discussed about different families. Do you remember? No one remembers? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The last class we were doing lesson number. Which lesson we were doing? The ever changing family. Okay. Which lesson were we doing, beta? Yes. Can you see my screen, beta? Hello? Can you see
Yes,
my
ma'am.
screen?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. हाँ
What
मैम
is
दिख
the
रही है
next?
स्क्रीन.
Huh, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last class we were doing the ever changing family. Lesson number one. Okay. In which we saw different types of families, right? We also saw typical Indian family. Remember? Now we are going to see what is a family. Okay. Who will read this?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, of course you can.
A family is a group of people tracking their
Tracking
organ,
नहीं. It is tracing.
tracing their organ
Origin. ओके.
origin.
जो आपको बोलना ना है वो आपको क्या करना है. You have to read the spelling. Okay.
Origin from a common
Ancestors.
un- ancestor family give us a sin
Very
sense
good.
of who we are and where we are from. Family is there, there for a source, source of great happiness.
Yes. So what is a family? A family is what, beta? It is a group of people tracing their origin from a common ancestors. Common ancestors means what? Your grandparents are one, your uncle aunt's grandparents are also, parents are all the same, and your parents are also the same from same parents, right? So they are known as common ancestors. Okay. Then the next thing is what is a family? Okay, what do you like the most in family? Okay, so what does it give us? They give us happiness, they give us pleasure, they give us security, they give us warmth, love, comfort. Okay, so family is very much important for us. Yes or no? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we like to live in a family. Now, what types of family are there? That also we are going to see in this lesson. Okay. What we are going to see? Okay. How many types of family are there? What are the common physical traits of family and all this, right? So a family is what, beta? A family is a group of people, okay, tracing their origin from a common ancestor, okay, from a common ancestors. Apart from that, you know, family is also a source of great happiness. हमें हैप्पीनेस कहाँ से मिलती है सबको? हैप्पीनेस कहाँ से मिलती है? फैमिली से। कहाँ से मिलती है?
फैमिली से।
हाँ, ओके, वी
फैमिली से।
गेट, हाँ, so we get the happiness from the family. Now why है वो family? है ना, कभी कभी आपको मम्मी पापा डांटते होंगे, आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि फैमिली की जरूरत क्या है ना? Why we should have a family, right? So family life provides the support needed for survival. Okay, जो भी हमारे सर्वाइव करने के लिए सपोर्ट चाहिए, है ना, वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है?
फैमिली।
हाँ, हाँ, पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, है ना, ये सब हमें सपोर्ट देते हैं, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It also provides security, love, and comfort. Our life will be very tough indeed if we had no families, है ना? अगर हमारे पास कोई फैमिली ना होती तो हमारी लाइफ कैसी होती बेटा? बहुत टफ होती।
कठिन।
कैसे? इट विल बी वेरी,
कठिन होती लाइफ।
कठिन होती, लाइफ टफ होती। अगर पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कोई ना होता तो इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड, राइट? ओके, अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर?
यस मैम। Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who will read till here what I explain?
मैम मैं रीड करूँ।
Yes, beta, read.
Why have a family? Family life provides
Provides.
yes, provides the supports needed to survival. It also provides security, love and comfort. Our life would be very thought in मैम थाउट के बाद से
हाँ,
मैम
हाँ, बोलो।
थाउ वो वेरी थाउ indeed if we
Did.
had
Indeed.
no family did families.
Yes. So, family life provides the support needed for our survival. It also provides security, love, and comfort. Our life will be very much difficult, right? Without a family. Now, what is common physical traits? Anyone knows what is common word meaning? Anyone knows?
मैम जो मम्मी पापा का सपोर्ट मिलता है वो
Okay. Common physical traits means what? कि कभी आपको आपके किसी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को ऐसा बोलता है कि यू लुक लाइक योर फादर, यू लुक लाइक योर मदर, है ना, यू आर जस्ट लाइक योर स्किन इज लाइक योर मदर, योर हेयर्स आर लाइक योर फादर, योर फीचर्स, ओके, फिजिकल फीचर्स मतलब कि आपका फेस, योर हैंड्स, योर हाइट एंड एवरीथिंग इज कॉल्ड द कॉमन फिजिकल features. Okay. Sometimes what we say that the most members of the family carry some common physical features. That they look similar. है ना, कभी आपको भी कोई ऐसा बोलेगा कि आप है ना पापा जो दिखता है ना, मम्मी जो दिखता है ना, मोटा भाई जो दिखता है, बोला है ना बेटा? દાદા જેવો દેખાય છે. That is common physical traits. What are they? લે બોલ. ચાલો અરે બેટા common physical traits.
मैं रीड करूँ मैं रीड करूँ
Hello.
मैं रीड करूँ
Yes बेटा read लो बेटा.
common bicycle race
Bicycle नहीं physical. જો જે સ્પેલિંગ ના આવે ને એ રીડ કરવાનો. ઓકે આઈ એમ હિયર ટુ ટીચ યુ. આઈ ટીચ યુ ધ સ્પેલિંગ ઓલ્સો. ઓકે.
okay it is and a ground
बेटा
of
आपका आवाज
people
बहुत कट लग रहा है.
belonging in body. मैम अभी आया
हाँ अभी आया.
हेलो मैम मैम फिर से करूँ रीड
यस बेटा.
most members of a family will carry with them certain common
Hurting. Hurting.
certain common fu-
व्हाट इज
future
योर.
क्या मैम
आपका नाम क्या है?
डेली मोहम्मद रूहान
सॉरी.
डेली मोहम्मद रूहान
मोहम्मद रूहान. आपको मैंने क्या बोला? ये आपको जो रीड करना ना आए उसका स्पेलिंग बोलो. क्या बोला मैंने? आई विल टीच यू टू
स्पेलिंग बोलो
प्रोनाउंस इट. हाँ अगर नहीं बोलोगे तो फिर नहीं आएगा.
यस मैम physicals futures and it is these traits which enable others to recognize
Recognize.
recognize a group of people belong belonging belonging to one family.
Yes. Belonging to one family. Yes,
Family.
I just explain you right now, right? That most of the members of a family will carry with them certain common physical features. What will they carry? कुछ सेम कॉमन फीचर्स कैरी करते हैं. क्या कैरी करते हैं? मतलब कि एज आई सेड यू कि योर हाइट विल बी लाइक योर मदर, योर फादर, योर योर हेयर्स विल बी लाइक योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. आंखें आपकी, फोरहेड आपका आपके दादी जैसा होगा, नानी माँ जैसे होगा, मासी जैसा होता है, चाचा जैसा होता है. तो ऑल दिस इज व्हाट दिस आर कॉमन फिजिकल फीचर्स. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Futures.
फीचर्स नहीं, फीचर्स. व्हाट डू यू से?
Features.
हाँ.
Features.
Means what? Features means what? Common physical features means what? I explain you right now. What are common physical features? कि आपकी हाइट आपके दादाजी जैसी हो, आपके आपका आपके बाल, आपका फोरहेड आपके फादर जैसा हो, मदर जैसा हो, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? कॉमन फिजिकल फीचर्स. व्हाट आर द कॉमन फिजिकल फीचर्स?
पापा के जैसे हाइट लंबी हो दादा के जैसे आँख हो उसको बोलते हैं
हाँ मतलब कोई भी. हाँ खाली आईज और वो नहीं. फिंगर्स आपके दादी जैसे
ईयर्स
हो.
हाइट मैम वो सब
हाँ.
हैंड
हाँ मतलब फिजिकल फीचर्स, बॉडी के पार्ट्स. ओके. बॉडी
यस
पार्ट्स, height, color, complex, everything. which is like your grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie, मासी, मासा. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन फिजिकल फीचर्स. ओके. तो उसे क्या पता चलता है बेटा? एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप के बारे में पता चलता है. સપોઝ કે આ એક જ ફેમિલીના મેમ્બર્સ છે એવું ખબર પડી જાય કે બધા એક જેવા લાગે, હે ને? રાઈટ ઓર રોંગ?
Yes, ma'am.
So what it helps us is enables others to recognize a group of people belonging to one family. What does this help us?
One family.
हाँ, it helps us to recognize a group of family. What does it help us, beta?
Family.
हाँ, okay.
Family.
Yes, understood till here?
Family.
नहीं, family नहीं, a
Yes,
group
ma'am.
of family.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
for this, for that, I will see one story over here. क्या हम देखेंगे? एक story.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I'll show you from the other presentation. 1 minute. एक ज मिनट है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. चलो. So we read the story in the box and understand this better. अब common physical traits क्या होता है वो अब हम समझेंगे. क्या क्या समझना है?
मैम ये लिखने का है.
नहीं, सुन, ये पढ़ना है. स्टोरी है. चलो, who will read story?
Ma'am, I can read.
Yes, बेटा, read.
We are alike. This is a this is the true story of Hunanta, an 11 years old boy from the village of Rasulpur. Oh, ma'am.
Sorry. फिर से बोल. S
R
U
A S U L P U R.
रसूलपुर.
Rasulpur, who was lost and they got reunited with his family. It was the year 2006. The, har- the harvesting the harvesting season has just got ours, and we were all planning to go the annual annual Mahash MAHASHIVYA.
Harvesting season has just got over.
We fair in the village near P. One
Nearby.
the
Nearby.
nearby nearby. On the day of the fair, my brothers and I woke up early and accidentally got
Beta, your voice is not coming.
I woke up early and accidentally got
Beta, anyone else will read? His voice is not coming proper.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read from first. His voice was not coming proper.
We are alike. This is a true story of Himanat, An
हेमंता
11 years old
हेमंता एक
boy,
बेटा हेमंता कौन है? एक बॉय का नाम है, क्या है?
boy का नाम, and an 11 years old boy from the village of Rispur who was lost and them got united
सॉरी, 1 minute. Got ruined means
united
RUINED એટલે જુદું
with
પડી.
with his family. It was the year 2006. They having skiing season had just got over and we were all planning to go.
Harvesting season.
We were all planning to go to the Anula
And
Mahash,
Maha
Mahash,
by
Mahash,
by
Mahashivai fair in the village neighbor neighbor and neighbor neighbor on the day of the fair my brother and I woke up early and excitedly got
got ready. Okay. So what is in this story, beta? This is the true story of Hemanta. Okay. Okay. One minute. Of Hemanta. An 11-year-old boy. Who was Hemanta? An 11-year-old boy, like आपकी एज का, है ना? तो फ्रॉम द विलेज, आप कितने एज के हो बेटा?
Ma'am, now can I read?
Yes, wait, let me speak better. What is your age?
Ma'am, my name is Kabrani Mohammed Reza.
Yes, रजा, आप कितने साल के हो?
मैम 10 साल का.
हाँ, तो सेम ऐसा हेमंत था. He was also 11 years old. Can you please mute your mic?
Okay, ma'am.
So he was when going to where was he living? He was living in Rasalpur village. Whose mic is on? So where was he living? He was living in Rasalpur village. Who was lost? क्या हुआ था? वो खो गया था. ओके, कैसे खो गया था वो हम पढ़ेंगे. ओके, तो इट वाज द ईयर 2006. कौन से साल की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
2006.
हाँ, तो आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग, यू नो, he was a boy of a family who was associated with, who was working with the crops, farming. Okay, what was he working with, beta? उनके पेरेंट्स फार्मिंग से रिलेटेड थे. ओके, हेलो,
Yes,
everyone can
ma'am.
listen.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was the year 2006. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
the harvesting season had just got over, and we were
मैं आपका आवाज
all,
ज्यादा आ रहा है.
sorry,
मैं आपका आवाज डबल आ रहा है.
yes, because someone's mic is on. Whose mic is on? So they were planning to go to annual Mahashivai fair. Annual એટલે કે વાર્ષિક.
मैम
Okay,
मैम मैम एक जन का
हाँ,
माया कौन है? इंग्लिश वन मीडियम.
कोई बात नहीं. So
यस मैम.
he was. They were planning. What were they planning? To go to the fair. Fair એટલે શું? કોઈને ખબર છે? Anyone knows what is fair?
Pug.
Eh?
Pug.
Sorry?
Fruit.
ના fair એટલે મેળો. શું થાય?
જોડી 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 જોડી.
Mirror.
ના મેળો 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 હોય ને આપણે સાતમ આઠમ પર હોય એવો. What is fair?
મેવો.
Understood? What is fair?
મેવો.
Mirror.
Yes. So they were planning to go to the fair, and at that time, what happens? You know, for going to the fair, what do? They get up ready early. आपको भी अगर आपके पेरेंट्स बोले चलो फेयर में जमाना है तो आप क्या करते हो? You get up ready early in the morning, right? So same way on the day of fair, my brother and I woke up early and got excitedly dressed. Dressed એટલે તૈયાર થયા, right? Baba, Amma, and we had our breakfast of chapatis, vegetables, and teas. What did they have? Chapatis, vegetables, and teas, and then they went to the fair. They left for the fair. Okay, who left? Hamanta, his brother, and his parents. Okay, so it looked as if people from all corners were thronging the fair. Means people from all corners were enjoying the fair. What do you do when you go to the fair? Huh? What do you do? हम भी क्या करते हैं? We also go and enjoy. We also look at the people. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So same way, he was also very enthusiastic. He was also very happy. So what did he saw? That everywhere people were enjoying. And what happened? You know, बेटा suddenly क्या हुआ? Suddenly क्या हुआ पता है? Suddenly ऐसा हुआ कि it a cloud burst, means there was tremendous downpour. मतलब कि एकदम से बारिश चालू हो गई. What happened बेटा?
बारिश चालू हो गई थी.
बारिश
हाँ,
बारिश चालू हो गई.
चालू हो गई.
एकदम से है ना, एकदम से बारिश चालू हो गई. हाँ. So it accidentally it started raining. What did it start बेटा?
Raining.
Raining.
हाँ. So immediately everyone started running here and there, है ना, because it was heavy rainfall. Everyone started running. तो उस रनिंग करते करते क्या हुआ कि हेमंता was उनके भाई से अलग हो गए, है ना, तो वो खो गए. He was then lost because of everyone was in panic. पैनिक मतलब सब डर गए थे और इधर उधर भागने लगे. So whatever, see, I say you something, okay, that whenever there is any such condition, okay, so don't get panic, okay, मतलब घबरा नहीं जाना है ना, घबरा नहीं जाना है. कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन हो कि आप आपके पेरेंट्स से अलग हो जाओ और कहीं, तो आपको क्या करना है? कहीं पे खड़े रह जाना है. क्या करना है?
खड़े रह जाना है. खड़े रह
हाँ,
जाना
don't,
है.
हाँ, don't get panic, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So what will happen otherwise? और कभी आप अलग हो जाओ तो आपको क्या करना है? नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन हो ना, वहां पे आपको जाके कंप्लेन लिखवानी है. आपका एड्रेस, आपका आपके पेरेंट्स का कॉल नंबर, कुछ भी, तो आपको आपके घर तक वो आप हेल्प करेंगे. ओके, डोंट गो टू स्ट्रेंजर्स. ओके, एनी टाइम डोंट गो टू स्ट्रेंजर्स, गो टू द नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन. इज इट क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलो, दिस स्टोरी वी विल हैव टू कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. चलो, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर और एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
हम्म,
मैम कल से हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखाओगे?
किसके हार्ड वर्ड्स? ना हार्ड वर्ड्स હવે ના હોય, હવે તો સીધું ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ હોય.
हैं? मैम
ના
हार्ड
बेटा,
वर्ड्स मीनिंग ऐसा कुछ नहीं आता. अभी नहीं है मैम.
है
તો એડવર્સ આવે કે ન આવે?
હાર્ડવેર સોશિયલ માં ના આવે બેટા. ઓકે.
તો સીધો ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર ઠીક છે મેમ.
Sorry?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye all of you. What you were asking anything beta in doubt?
No મેમ.